Guys, mag-Jollibee muna tayo guys. Drive-thru muna tayo sa Jollibee Wilson. Na-miss ko na rin kasi mag-Jollibee guys. Wait lang guys ha, wait lang. Ayan na guys, turning right to Wilson Street. Dito yung Jollibee guys. So ito, Jollibee. Nung araw guys, McDonald's yan. Tapos hindi na nag-renew ng contract yung McDonald's. Ayun, ginawa ni Jollibee. Kasi dati dito bumabaha. Ito siguro ngayon hindi na siya hindi okay na ngayon Okay, Wilson Street na guys. Wait lang guys ha. Welcome to Jollibee. Welcome to Jollibee. Hello, good morning. Dalawang Jolly Hotdog a la carte.
Ano pa?
At saka dalawang longganisa meal a la carte din.
For 5 minutes lang po sa
Okay lang. Willing to wait.
Bali, dalawang Jolly Hotdog sandwich, dalawang longganisa.
Opo. Thank you.
Forward
Okay.
na lang sir.
Sige,
next
thank you.
window.
Thank you. Ayan guys. Ikot tayo guys. Ikot tayo dito sa drive-thru ng Jollibee Wilson. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in Jollibee Wilson, San Juan City, Philippines. Bye. Thank you.